No, there's a bird in the house. Go for it.
You have a bat.
There's a bird in the house, Mom! Quit trying to tell me I'm lying.
You have a bat.
I don't know. Jose's got a blanket and he's asking for a bat.
Dude, I'm scared.
Yeah, we got a blanket. Oh, shit.
Oh, God.
No, it's a pretty good sized bird. I don't know. What kind of bird is it, Jose? You know the exact species?
Dude, I do not know. It's a blue jay.
I don't know.
It's a blue jay.
It is not a blue jay. It's not even blue. It's like the size of your hand. No, Nellie's fucking hiding under the couch.
When I first saw it, I'm like, you have a bird?
Yeah, Jose asked us if we had a pet bird. Alright, it's in the kitchen. Hold on.
Okay, we're dumb as hell. We could just open the door.
That's what my mom just said. Open the door.
You sure you don't want it?
I don't want the bird, Jose.
Hold on. Can I kill it?
No, don't kill it. Open the door. Alright, Mom. We'll get rid of it later. Get out of here, you bastard! Oh, shit!
Where's it at? Oh!
There you go. Nice. Got it.